Weezy out here. Weezy out here.
Hey everybody, I'm back with another video. I'm DaeZhane for anybody who does not know, and today I will be doing a little faux lock tutorial. As you can see, my faux locks are already done, but they needed a touch up, so I'm just going to show you all how I like to touch up my already done faux locks. If you haven't seen my faux lock video before of how I do this entire style, I do have a video and I'll leave it in the description box, and I'll try to make a card for it as well. But as you can see, my locks are beginning to slide. I haven't had them in for that long, honestly, but I guess kind of like my hair texture and the method that I use, it kind of does allow for it to slide a little bit more normal than usual. Oh, and I also decided to go in and cut my locks as well because I was just kind of over them being so long. Okay, so I decided to cut my locks right there, and you'll see that I'm not cutting it straight across because I don't want them to be too blunt and just not have any life at the bottom. So I'm going in kind of like a zigzag like motion, and I'm cutting a little bit up, a little bit down, a little one up, a little one down, just kind of around the same way. It's almost like giving your locks layers, and you'll see towards the end that I actually do give my locks layers just to make them look a little bit more feminine. Now I'm going to take the base of the lock, not the base, but the bottom of the lock, and I'm going to burn it with a lighter, and I'm going to palm roll it, and that's just going to help mold it into like that nice lock, healthy-ish, natural-ish shape. And you can just do what I did, pat the bottom and roll it around, or you can just palm roll it, just, you know, whatever you need to do to mold the bottom. I will say that what I have noticed is if you decide to burn your ends with a lighter, it will catch on the hair of the lock, especially if you have a lot of curly pieces just, you know, out. I know everybody likes that boho look, and a lot of people comment on my past video and ask me why does it tangle so much. Well, if you decide to do burning ends, it will get caught opposed to using nail glue. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to actually apply some locks to the front of my face just to frame it and make it just look more feminine. So as you can see, I'm going in like a downward diagonal angle, and I'm just going to just do that, you know, frame your face. If you're not used to layering your hair, then this might be a little hard for you, and I wouldn't go in so hard. I would just kind of do maybe a few locks at a time. I layer my hair all the time with weaves, so I kind of know what I'm going for. And just to touch back more on the tangling stuff that I was talking about, also keep in mind that if you do the boho look where you have hair actually coming out, it's synthetic hair, so it's going to frizz, it's going to tangle, it's going to do all of that. But over time, the hair will begin to stick to itself and it will not tangle up as much. Okay, back to the actual clip. So now you can see that this lock is already done, but it's kind of sliding. So what I did was wrap it just around the base of the part where it was sliding, a little bit above it actually, and I wrapped it around a few times, and then I started to wrap down. You want to make sure that you do wrap a little bit above it so that it can be secure, and then begin to wrap down. And at this point, I really didn't care what type of hair I used. I had the curly hair left over, so that's just what I used to wrap. Usually I use Marley hair, but like I said, I didn't have any more, so I just used that hair, and it works fine. You just have to make sure that you wrap tightly, because since it's curled, it will kind of coil over itself, and you might see that later on in this video. As you can see at the bottom, I needed to go down a little bit further to catch the bottom part of where it's slid at, if you know what I mean. So I had to just pull it down a little bit and then wrap over that part of the base. And I decided to leave the end of it out, as you can see, to get it just a